Hey fitness friends, just like you, we're getting ready to go to a family gathering for Memorial Day. A travel tip for you if you have food allergies. Bring a dish that you know you can eat and share it with others, but that way you won't be left out if your relatives forgot what your food allergy was and loaded it with whatever it was you were allergic to. So make sure you always travel with something you know is safe for you to eat. Enjoy the weekend.
I want to share with you one of my favorite dishes to take with me for family gatherings. It's called Mediterranean chicken salad. Because I follow the Mediterranean diet for my allergies, this is a favorite and it goes over well for people who don't have any food concerns. I always like to bring a little 3x5 card with me that has all the ingredients on it. I can put it beside the dish and everyone knows what's in it.